We'll guide you through how to master Blender hard surface modeling with the latest techniques from 2025 to 2026. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Blender and make sure you're using the latest version. Start by setting up your workspace efficiently. You need to enable the Hard Ops and Box Cutter add-ons, which are essential for hard surface modeling. You can find these in the Preferences under the Add-ons tab. Once enabled, create a new project and start with a basic cube. It's all about manipulating shapes. Use the Box Cutter tool to slice through your model, creating intricate designs effortlessly. Hold the Alt key to snap cuts perfectly along the grid, ensuring precision. Then, switch to the Hard Ops toolset to add bevels and increase the complexity of your model. This tool allows you to add and adjust modifiers like bevels and Booleans with ease. To refine your edges, use the Sharpen option within Hard Ops, which lets you define the sharpness of your model's edges. Remember, you can always use the C Sharpen to quickly apply and adjust these effects across your model. Don't forget to use the Mirror modifier to create symmetrical designs, which is especially useful for creating uniform hard surfaces. For a clean finish, use the Weighted Normal modifier, which helps in achieving a smooth shading across the model. Finally, set your viewport to rendered mode to see your design come to life with real-time lighting and textures. Practice by creating simple objects and gradually increase complexity as you become more comfortable with the tools. Consistent practice is key to mastering hard surface modeling. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.